Hello, how are you all, my dear student? I am fine. I hope you are well. And very thanks. You subscribe my channel, watch my video, like and shares. Today's assignment title: EXP25 Excel chapter number 4 Cumulative Insurance Claim. To the topic insurance claim. I start now assignments. Any kind of assignments, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, statistics, accounting, finance, assess, grader and other exam, weekly exam, you contact me WhatsApps and email address. Start now. Question number 1. I increase the size and color change. You understand better word. Start Excel, download and open the file names. EXP25 Excel chapter number 4 Cumulative Insurance Grader has been automatically added your last name to beginning of the file name. RDS, you first downloading the file, but time is very short. Then I already this file downloaded. I back this. Question number 2. I increase size, color change, convert the data range B6 to J215 to a tables. Name the tables insurance claim and then apply the light screen. Table style lights 21. It's okay. Copy this. And the name the table insurance claim. I change name okay. I table names and then apply light green table style light 21, table style light 21, table style green, style 1 green. It's okay. Table style convert the data range. Okay, all dear student, question number 2 is complete. Question number 3 start. Remove the duplicate record. Remove the duplicate record. Remove the duplicate record. Remove the duplicate. Okay. Record. This is very easy. Question number 3 is easy. And question number 4. Start now. And color change, add a new column at the end of the table name, duration. Table name and column, a new column at the end of the tables. It's okay, end of the table. Duration, new column, end of the tables. It's okay. I create new tables, new column, duration. It's okay, new column, duration. Question number 5. I increase the size and color change. You understand better word. And question number 4 is complete. And start now question number 5. Create a formula using unqualified structured references to calculate the date required to resolve the incident. Date resolved minus date creates. Date resolved minus date creates. It's okay. I formula create equal date creates minus create, enter, sorry, minus create minus, sorry, I enter. Okay, dear students, durations के column is finally complete. I start now. Question number 5 is complete. Question number 6, I increase the size, color change because you understand the better word. Add a total row to display the average durations. Column K required to complete a claims. Add a total row to display average duration. Column Q required to complete duration. Columns display average duration. Column K required to the complete claims. Total row average duration column required to complete the column average durations. Average duration, it's okay. Average duration is complete. Question number 6 is complete. I start now question number 7. Increase color change. Sort the table by insurance agent in the alphabetical orders. Add its ranked level to the sort by descriptions, and then create a custom sort the table by insurance agent. Sorts by agent by log sheet. Sort where I options homes and sort filters, custom sorts, insurance agent. Next insurance agent. Next insurance agent. Next order second 11 sort by description. I add label. Description, it's okay. And next custom sort order follow. Create a sort order at the durations, neutral, disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident. Add the third level to sort by duration, smallest to largest. Third durations, it's okay. Correction this. Okay, this, and third duration smallest to largest is complete. Question number 8. Color change. Filter the table to only display closed claim as indicated in the status column. Filter the table to only display closed claim as indicator in the status column. Close. Okay. Filter the table to only display closed claim as indicator in the status columns. It's okay. Status column is complete. Question number and articles. Question number 9. Use quick analysis to apply value data bars conditional formatting to the column that contain durations. Use the quick analysis to apply value data bars condition formatting to the column that contain durations. dear students, very thanks. You subscribe my channels, watch my videos, and assignment is half is complete. Question number 9 is finally complete. Very thanks to watch my video.